Pero as Kath, mas gusto ko nag-revenge quietly eh. Yeah, I don't fight, I don't shout, and
You don't confront.
yeah, I'm not confrontational. May mga times na ganun, but then I like to do it quietly. Na parang, sige, gawin mo lahat to put me down, but then I will work quietly here, and I'll just do and mind my own thing, tas bahala na kayo, sasabihin nyo. Yun yung kind of revenge na ako. Siguro, personally, siguro, sige na nga, sorry. Nung na-involve yung, maybe friendships, you know, dun ko na-feel na I'm very vulnerable. Because for me, more than breakups, friendships, it's like, you know, same yun eh. Pag may nasirang pagkakaibigan, yung pakiramdam pala nun, it's like nasira din yung, parang nakipag-break ka sa boyfriend mo. It's like that. So I think that was the last time I felt vulnerable. And that was the time I realized how much I have to treasure the people around me now, the ones who stayed. And yeah, I allowed myself to be vulnerable. Marami ako natutunan sa nangyari. But then, nag-matter lahat ng mga tao na nandun during the times that I was vulnerable. So I guess dun yung pinaka-recent na feel ko. Yeah.
Pag when you're at your lowest talaga, doon mo nalalaman who are your
Yeah, because you start questioning yourself. Ang dami mo ng hindi maintindihan. And then, yung mga tao na nasa paligid mo yung nagpaparealize na, you know, blah. Yeah. But then, yeah, nakakatuwa. Kaya, yun, grabe ko pahalagahan yung mga kaibigan ko ngayon.
Kung hindi friend, sino yung kinakapitan mo or person na you would trust to give you the advice you need in order to overcome a struggle?
Siguro si Deej. Yun, ganun klase yung relationship na meron kami na kaya ko sabihin sa kanya lahat without him judging me. And siya yung magsasabi ng mga kailangan ko gawin. Alam ko din pagkukulang ko, kaya nangyayari to lahat. And you need those people. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng mga maririnig mo around you totoo eh. Kailangan yung mga kakatiwalaan mo. And si Deej and si Mama siguro yun ngayon. And of course, my friends.
Alright, thank you, Kat.